Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Squarespace for your business, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with installing Squarespace for your business, first, navigate to the official Squarespace website. On the home page, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be prompted to select a template that fits your business needs. Browse through the available options and choose a design that resonates with your brand. After selecting a template, click on the Start with this design button. You will be taken to a registration page where you can create an account. Enter your email address, create a password, and click on Create Account. From here, click on the website link to start building your site. You'll see various sections to customize your new site. Begin with the Pages section, where you can add or remove pages as needed. Click on plus Add Page to create new pages like Home, About, Services, or Contact. Next, head to the Design section to customize the look and feel of your site. You can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your branding. After personalizing your site, go to the Settings tab. Here, you can update important information, including your site title and logo description. It's essential to set up your domain name next. Choose between connecting an existing domain or purchasing a new one via Squarespace. Make sure to fill in the necessary information for domain registration. Then, switch to the Marketing section to optimize your site's visibility. Consider integrating social media accounts and setting up email campaigns. Next, review your site in the preview mode. Ensure every page looks polished and functions correctly. Finally, when everything looks good, click on the Launch button. Follow the prompts to make your site live for visitors. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Squarespace for your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.